Hi everyone, welcome back to the Raja Freelance channel. If you're new to digital marketing or you want to upgrade your skills for 2025, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how beginners can master digital marketing fast, using simple, smart AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Canva, SurferSEO, and automation platforms. So if you want to grow your business, get more clients, or start a full-time online career, keep watching. Keycap 1. Understand the core pillars. Digital marketing in 2025 focuses on 4 main areas: content creation, social media, search engine optimization, marketing automation. The good news? AI makes all of these easier than ever. Keycap 2. Use AI tools to speed up your work. 1. ChatGPT and AMP. Jasper AI. These tools help you generate content ideas, write blogs, emails, captions, create marketing scripts, and add copies. You work faster, produce better content, and save hours every week. 2. Canva. Perfect for designing social posts, posters, and ads, business presentations, YouTube thumbnails. You don't need design skills. Canva's templates plus AI magic do the heavy lifting. 3. SurferSEO. This tool helps your content rank on Google by finding keywords, analyzing competitors, improving readability. Even beginners can write content that ranks. Keycap 3. Marketing automation equals smart work, not hard work. Automation tools help you schedule posts, send emails, set up lead generation, create simple funnels, track customer behavior. In 2025, growth belongs to people who automate early. You work less, but grow more. How beginners can start today? Step 1. Choose one main platform. Pick YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, or a blog. Focus beats everything. Step 2. Create a simple content plan. Use ChatGPT to create weekly topics, hashtags, scripts, captions. Step 3. Build your brand with Canva. Make clean, modern designs that build trust and credibility. Step 4. Optimize everything. Use SurferSEO for blogs, SEO tools for websites, and analytics to track growth. Step 5. Offer your skills as a service. Start freelancing in content writing, social media management, SEO automation. Setup. AI makes you 3x faster, which means more clients and more income. Digital marketing in 2025 is not complicated, it's smart. With AI on your side, you can learn faster, create faster, and grow faster. If you want more tutorials, templates, and step-by-step AI guides, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment 2025 growth below. See you in the next video.